Information overload is a reality in the world we live in. But perhaps making things simpler when it comes to personal financial information is preferable. Draw strength from the fundamental principles that have been beneficial to you and that you may share with others. Today we will be looking at top 10 golden rules of money. Before starting, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 10. Stay diversified. Maintaining diversification in your portfolio is crucial for lowering risk. Having just one or two stocks in your portfolio is risky, regardless of how well they have done for you. Therefore, experts suggest diversifying your money in a portfolio. Diversification is the approach I would recommend to investors if I had to pick just one. You may be able to handle the ups and downs of the stock market better. It's excellent news that diversity is sometimes simple to accomplish. A portfolio's diversification is accelerated by an investment in a Standard & Poor's 500 index fund, which contains hundreds of holdings in the best companies in America. If you want to diversify your investments even more, you can add a bond fund or other options, such as a real estate fund, which may perform differently depending on the status of the economy. Number 9. Understand the concept of time value of money. It indicates that the money received now is worth more than the money due at a later date, yet the money due at that later date is less valuable than the money received today. For instance, if given the choice between receiving $10 today and receiving the same amount after a year, the person will undoubtedly prefer to take the money today. Additionally, it is utilized in the compounding process. Therefore, it's crucial to appreciate the value of the money you have and to make good use of it. Number 8. Never lose money. Let's begin with some wise words from the late great investor Warren Buffett, who once advised never to lose money. The Oracle of Omaha's counsel emphasizes how crucial it is to keep your portfolio from suffering a loss. Your portfolio will be more profitable if it contains more capital. A loss thereby reduces your potential earning capacity. Naturally, it's simple to say don't lose money. In essence, Buffett's rule states that one should consider an investment's drawbacks in addition to its possible rewards. The investment might not be worthwhile if the potential rewards don't outweigh the risks you're taking. Because of this, many investors are currently avoiding long-term bonds. First, concentrate on the negative, advises Buffett. Number 7. Avoid timing the market. Experts frequently urge clients to refrain from trying to timing the market, or to purchase or sell at the ideal time, as is made popular in television and movies. The adage time in the market is more important than timing the market is frequently used instead. The premise behind this is that in order to earn good returns, you must stay invested rather than constantly entering and exiting the market. And that's what Wells Fargo Investing Institute analyst on investment strategy Veronica Willis advises. The greatest and worst days are generally close together and come when markets are at their most volatile, like a bear market or economic slump. To be in the market one day, out the next, and back in the next, an investor would need to trade with skilled precision. Number 6. Understand everything you invest in. Chris Raleigh, founder and CEO of Harvest Returns, a fintech marketplace for investing in agriculture, advises investors to avoid investing in a product you don't understand and make sure the risks have been fully stated to you before investing. You must comprehend how whatever it is that you are investing in operates. When purchasing stocks, it's important to understand why it makes sense to do so and when the stock is likely to perform well. When purchasing a fund, you should be aware of its performance history and expenses, among other factors. It's crucial to comprehend how an annuity functions and your rights if you're purchasing one. Number 5. Stay in the game, have an emergency fund. You must have an emergency fund in order to stay invested for the long run as well as to get you through difficult times. Because problems arise in life, keep 5% of your assets in cash. Having at least 6 months' worth of expenses in your savings account is also a good idea. If you have to sell any of your investments during a difficult time, it will probably be when they are at a loss. You may be able to continue investing for longer if you have an emergency fund. Short-term, less than 3-year, cash needs to stay in cash, ideally in a high-yield online savings account or possibly in a certificate of deposit, CD. To obtain the best deal, shop around. Number 4. Think like an owner. Be an owner-like owner. Keep in mind that you are investing in companies as well as stocks. While many investors approach stocks like gambling, those stocks are supported by legitimate businesses. Stocks are a type of partial ownership in a firm, and when the company performs profitably or unprofitably over time, the stock is likely to move in the same manner. Recognize your investing motivations. Are you gambling or investing? Fundamentals analysis, valuation, and a prediction of how the company will perform in the future are all components of investing. Make sure the company is in a good financial and competitive position and that the management team is solid and supportive of the interests of shareholders. Number 3. Stop chasing quick-rich schemes. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is, as the proverb states. And earning money online is unquestionably a case in point. After all, there are far too many con artists and charlatans preying on the gullibility of others. These frauds, schemes, and plainly stupid financial ideas can also be dangerous. For instance, investing in penny stocks can be uncertain because there isn't much public information available about the company. The majority of online gamblers lose money in general. According to one survey, 89% of them do so. But what about the YouTube advertisement you saw? I detest having to deliver terrible news. That, however, is an attempt to con you into wasting your money on a pyramid scheme or a bundle that makes empty promises of knowledge and pleasure. Number 2. Time is money. Just to be clear, not all online money-making activities are created equal. Online surveys, for instance, are plentiful. Are they really worth your time even when everything seems to be going well? Hours could be wasted in order to earn merely $5. The same is true when investing in an MLM, building on the preceding idea. Regardless of how it is marketed, an MLM is a pyramid scheme. Everyone at the top makes all the money, while those in the center are preoccupied with hiring new employees. And to make matters worse, they are urged to sell junk to their loved ones. Multi-level marketing is actually possibly among the worst ways to make money. Number 1. You need capital, skills, and resources. For any method of earning, you need time, energy, and expertise. In a similar vein, spending a lot of time and using a variety of skills to make money online. Additionally, even if it's possible to get started for next to nothing, you will need money to buy the equipment and software you'll need. For instance, you'll need to get a name and hosting in order to start a blog. Additionally, you would require software like Photoshop if you work as a freelance graphic designer. Additionally, you might have to fork over anywhere between $63 and $420 per month if you thought about dropshipping. Online income is a common goal for beginners. Unfortunately, they fall short because they lack the essential money, knowledge, or resources. That's end for today's video. Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.